What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mark's Stock Review. Hope you're having a great trading week so far. This video is going to be on Senseonics. I'm going to go over a very brief overview of the company. I'll talk about why the hype. I'll go over the catalyst that should be coming up soon, hopefully, and whether I bought, and a final take. And as per usual, I'll keep my video brief and to the point to respect your time. So if you do find it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up and subscribing if you haven't already. That said, let's get right into it. This is a medical technology company focused on long-term glucose monitoring products, specifically their Senseonics CGM systems Eversense, which is the world's first implantable continuous glucose monitor. So a little bit more about their flagship product, Eversense. Its function is to provide continuous glucose monitoring for up to 90 days. The method is a healthcare professional placing patented technology just under the skin with a small incision and then closed up with Steri-strips, which will heal in just a few days. The technology then sends the data every 5 minutes to the removable and rechargeable smart transmitter on top of the skin and to a mobile app as well. The mobile app then displays values, trends, and alerts providing continuous glycemic awareness. It also stores info in the cloud to provide access to caretakers to be remotely accessed from their own mobile app. Some of their highlights include remaining accurate even when exercising or compressed, and also eliminating painful self-insertions. The product also eliminates site maintenance, for example taping, and it also eliminates the possibility of losing the sensor. Next, I want to talk about the hype, which is their push to extend Eversense's CMG's use to 180 days through their new drug, Eversense XL. Eversense XL was submitted to the FDA on September 30th, 2020, and now they're waiting for approval before they can launch. There have been delays due to COVID-related devices getting the priority. However, the company still expects to receive approval by end of Q1 2021. The 180-day version does have new features, including an improved algorithm and a reduced calibration scheme. Moving on, I want to talk about the partnership with Essentia. They're going to be providing the capital to alleviate the challenges of the manufacturing and commercial execution of the 180-day version once it's approved. In exchange, Essentia is going to have the exclusive rights to market the Eversense product for 5 years after the 180-day version becomes available in the US. Furthermore, they're going to take a cut of global sales in the range of the mid-teens to up to about 45%. Next, I want to talk about 2 bullish cases for the FDA approval of the Eversense XL. Number 1, the Eversense XL 180-day version is already in use in Europe, but without the reduced calibration scheme. And number 2, its safety and efficacy has been supported by data generated from the PROMISE clinical study from the Barbara Davis Research Center. The clinical study had 181 participants, and the results matched the performance of the 90-day version, which has already been approved. I now want to mention 2 catalysts, and if you guys can think of any others, please let me know in the comment section below. Number 1, the FDA clearance on the 180-day version prior to the end of Q1, which is coming up. And number 2, less likely but with a higher impact, would be an update on the progress of the 365 version, which should hopefully come out in 2023 or 2024. And as you can see here, I do own shares, albeit a small portion as compared to my overall portfolio. And currently at the time of this recording, the share price has just dropped under my cost basis, so I am looking to add more shares. And if you have any questions on the other stocks listed here, just let me know in the comment section below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Moving on to my final take, I just wanted to mention a few things. Number 1, in my opinion, it is a potential revolutionary product. They do have a moat and it is differentiated with patented technology. Number 2, CGM is a multi-billion-dollar market and they're currently a very small player. And so if they can receive a timely FDA approval and execute, there is room to run. And number 3, CPT codes have recently been established. That's going to help streamline the billing process for providers and encourage adoption of their products. But to be fair, the share price may slide if there are delays in the FDA approval, and they are giving up revenue to Essentia, so that should be noted. And that does it for the video. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. A thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Have a great rest of your day. Let me know if you have any questions about this stock in the comment section below. I'll be talking to you soon. Take care.